Okay, so I'm here with my client Amber, and she has bet me that I cannot blow dry her hair in 15 minutes. She's about to do some like meditation thing that takes 15 minutes.
And I get a free blow dry if he's wrong.
Watch this. 15 minutes, here we go. See, what Amber doesn't realize is I've got this product called Speed Dry, and it actually helps me cut down my drying time by 20 to 30%. So from her doing it at home, this is a very different ball game. So Amber's doing her meditation now. Time to use the secret weapon. So I'm a little over halfway, and Amber is only 5 minutes into her meditation. I've got this. Okay. We finished that blow dry. I know it's record time, but let's have a look and see how much time Amber's got left in that meditation. Yep, check that out. That blow dry was literally just over 10 minutes long. That's crazy. Hey, Amber, hold the phone.
God.
Let's show everybody your hair. That blow dry was literally just over 10 minutes, and look how great that
I
looks.
can't even. I have 3 minutes and 48 seconds left.
So I won that bet.
I guess so. No free blow dry for me. Quickest blow dry I ever had for sure.